raising Christianly. My granddad played guitar so passionately, and he showed me hobbies give your life meaning. I learned from Mom how to enjoy simple things. Sometimes all you need is a front porch swing, and Papa taught me to value family, 'cause you never know when it's their time to leave.
Is it time to settle down or get up again? Pause the moment, think again. Is it in my head? Give it one more go, take a chance, you'll make it. Push a little harder, don't try and fake it. I know the doubt is creeping in again. It can't stop from believing in all the dreams you wished about last night, endlessly hoping for another try to make it right this time. I know you feel inadequate, don't go, you wanna make it out of it, so close. The cycle keeps on going and going and going, up and down. Emotions, emotions, emotions all around. Take another breath one more time, you'll